Ready, ready, go. This is the best show.
And then should we put 100 grams of those in as well. Right back to the beginning. Right, pop 100 grams. What have we got going on there? Have we got the liveliest strawberry known to man and woman? And this is really boosting your immune system, so...
Oh, I just had an idea, wait.
Oh, what are you going to do? I'll add a little strawberry to it. I like that idea. I'll do that to mine. I think mine might have gone though. I might have to wipe mine round. Take out that lovely thick... Yeah. Oh, look! I feel like I just want to eat it, to be honest.
The sumac bush is native to the Middle East. So it's from the Middle East, and it produces deep red berries, which are then dried and ground into a coarse powder.
Cool. Back to the cooking. So I'm going to take this leg of lamb and dunk it on there. And this is my dry hand, this is my lamb hand. Why? Because we don't want to mix. We're very conscious about hygiene. Oh, gosh.
That wasn't me.
Darshan! Smells like farts.
Charula.
Chamula.
It's charula.
Charula?
Yes.
Charula.
Oh.
Not charula.
I said charula.
Look. Look, guys, look.
Then what we're going to do, pop that back in the oven for 20 minutes, pull it out, put some foil over the top.
I thought we were just going to do the foil.
Yeah, I think we are, but with the camera. Remember that bit? Have you ever left some chia seeds in a bit of milk or in a bit of water overnight?
Yeah.
And then you come back the next day and you could actually hold your spoon up in it. It would be solid.
Yeah, my grandma made some chia seed and raspberry and coconut pots from Jamie Oliver online.
Oh, yeah.
And we had them for breakfast, and when we came down, it was just, we couldn't, like...
Get your
it was
spoon
like,
in there.
And it reminds me of when you freeze custard.
Yes. And then, you see, what's lovely about this is the chia seeds look quite dark, don't they? Quite black. What happened there? Do we have a good spillage? Are we going to have any ingredients left?
Probably not. How's that look,
Raspberry.
Dash? How's that look?
Eyes just grew to the size of his head.
So, we have
4 ingredients.
chickpea
3
flour.
ingredients.
I don't understand why they just did the nearest one to us. I mean, what?
Point up and give me 2 or 3 seconds, but don't do this. 1, 2, just...
Okay, this is how we crack eggs, and we learnt it from the kids' cookery school. Sorry, God. I'm just going to do one thing. Stop it.
It's my
You
thing.
did the one
Then
thing.
I'll
You
never
did-
be ready.
You did the one thing.
I'll never be ready.
And then we'll never finish this episode.
Cool. Chickpea flour.
That's 200 grams.
Yeah, I'm going to add a little bit at a time. So that...
Do you want me to add it in whilst you're...
Sure. I decided to add in a little bit at a
Keep
time because otherwise it's going to be really hard and... Oh, careful. Please. I said a little bit at a time. Let's go really fast. The smell. Oh, I really smell the chickpea flour and the spinach. Well, I can't really smell the spinach, but I know there's some in there. If I close my eyes, I'd know.
I've got to eat this. I did it so thick, I didn't realise how thick I was doing it. Do you remember when Rosemary... So we watched this video of Rosemary doing a snack. It was like a rice cracker. Then she did an avocado and she literally went like this. Boom, boom. And it was out. The scene. It's just like... So you can go there now, and I'll do the...
That was so funny, the face that William my veggie table.
Veggie table.
Is this done? This is done, yeah?
Yes.
So I'm going to do
No, it was so funny.
And then Ocean was like,
Can I stand on there too?
yeah.
Woo! Oh no, I've disappeared.
Yeah.
So what's going to happen, Anise, is these are going to drop slightly.
Ooh, nice.
So they're called zucchini as well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Zucchini chips. We've had them
zucchini
before.
chips, exactly. You have to be
love them.
careful wherever you come from in the world. Things have different names. I think that one's quite a funny one. Eggplant always makes me laugh. For aubergine, that seems like a
Yeah.
funny name, but that's what we're
In
used to.
America.
One of my friends, her dad wanted to call her aubergine.
Oh my god.
I know. When she was born, that was going to be her name. Can you imagine going around being called aubergine?
Aubergine.
or zucchini.
That's a good
Time
one.
for tea. Thank you very much.
If you don't like it,
Put your thumbs up. Bye.
no. Put your thumb. If you don't like it,
Put a thumbs up anyway.
bye.
Adios. Au revoir. Bye.
Adieu.
Until next time, à la prochaine.
Until next time, à la prochaine.